Hi guys, I bought a new phone. This is Xiaomi 15. I love it. Look at it. This is it. I love this, guys. What I love the most about Xiaomi 15 is the video quality. The photos is very nice, and the stabilization is also good, and the storage is 512 gigs, and I'm going to use this for my blog as assistant to my iPhone. I love it. Very nice. Shout out. I would like to introduce this to you to buy this. It's incredible phone. I love it.